Are you looking for a new car key and remote for your Nissan vehicle? Well, I've got a solution for you. I'm Mike with Tomahawk DIY, and I want to show you the Simple Key Programmer. You can save a bundle of money over the cost of car dealership charges, and it's super easy to do. So let me show you how it's done, and then visit tomskey.com where you can order your Simple Key Programmer and some extra car keys. This video demonstrates programming a traditional style key like this. Tom's Key Company also has programmers for Nissan and Infiniti smart key fobs like these. With this Simple Key Programmer on this 2010 Nissan Xterra, it's super easy to program. This works on lots of different Nissan vehicles. Let me show you how it's done. First, in the user guide, you got to find your vehicle and come down here. You need to identify the primary dial position, which on this is number 4. So we're going to turn our dial to point to number 4 and remove the security seal here. So plugging it into the OBD2 port, you'll hear it beep, and we've got our working key ready to go here. Here's the new key that will come with it when you purchase them. This has not been programmed yet, and the remote buttons don't work either. So if you use this old new key, it's not going to start the vehicle. That's because we got to program the chip in it. So we're just going to follow the instructions right here. It says hold to confirm, so we're going to hold it down for a couple seconds. Okay, all keys have been erased, have keys nearby, hold to confirm. Close the vehicle doors, turn the hazard lights on. Okay, it's communicating with the VIN number on the vehicle. It says to insert the working key, start the car. So here's my working key, put it in, and start the car, press to continue. Turn the ignition off, remove the key. Okay. Don't press the brake. Insert the key to pair. So this will be our new key, which we've set right up here. Put it in the ignition. Turn the ignition on. Press to continue. Turn the ignition off. In pairing mode, so it's now communicating with the chip here in the key. Turn the ignition on, the security light will blink. That security light's up here on the dashboard. Okay, it's blinking right here. Press to continue. Turn the ignition off. Now you'll notice the security light has stopped blinking. Remove the key. Okay, do you want to hold to pair another? Press to end. So we're only doing one key today. To exit pairing, insert the key again. Put the key back in. Turn the ignition on. Then off. Okay. So unplug this installer. So the Simple Key Programmer, you saw how easy that is. Let's start the vehicle. I'm going to turn my hazards off. Voila, engine fires up. That's what we like. Okay, let's check the remote. Sometimes the remote requires separate programming for the buttons to work. So we haven't tried this yet. Let's give it a shot. Okay, it's not working. So you just come to your guide here. Turn our Simple Key device here to number 8 and plug it in. And then we'll follow the directions. Hold to confirm. We'll turn the hazards on. Press to continue. Do not press the brake. Insert a paired key and turn the ignition on. So putting my original key in, turn it 2 clicks to the on position. The engine is not running. It's communicating with the vehicle. Okay. Programming mode, press the lock button on the remote. So here's our new remote. It took it. It says program another. Hold the program or press to end. We're going to press to end. Turn the ignition off. Oh, we got to extra turn it on, then off. Unplug. Okay. So this should work now. You can see the lock right there. Lock, unlock, check our alarm, just like that. If you have a smart key fob like this, don't forget to take it to the locksmith, car dealership, or hardware store to get the blade cut. This will get you into the vehicle if your car battery dies. To help protect against lost keys, we also sell this tile key finder. It simply pairs with your smartphone so you always know where your keys are at. Thanks so much for watching Tomahawk DIY. I really hope that you found this helpful. Please smash the like button and subscribe to help YouTube share this video with other people who are also going to be looking to save money on their car keys by doing it themselves and not paying the car dealership prices. So please comment, let others know how easy it was, how it worked for you, and reach out to us. There's an 800 number in the instruction manual that comes with this. If you run into issues, you can also email us, help@tomskey.com, where we'll take care of you. We aim to provide great customer service, and we stand by